Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like.
But what I did not expect, did not expect to see soldiers, and they are not here. But I don't know whether they are within the perimeters of this place. And the security agents are also very disciplined not to intrude into the voting area.
I'm surprised that the EFCC are not here. The EFCC officials are not here.
The EFCC goes to people who have who they likely suspect might be engaging in money laundering and vote buying. They know I won't buy votes, so it would have been a waste of their time, their energy, and their resources to be going after an anti-corruption fighter who is trying to save the country. I think they know better where to go.
Thank you. Let me ask the last question. The outcome of the election so far, what do you have to say?
We don't have an outcome yet.
I know,
yeah.
Because Nigerians, this tradition of, I lose, I'm the loser, I will instigate violence after the post-election.
Well, I don't belong in the category of people who believe in violence, but I also would say that we cannot make any conclusive remarks regarding the election until the elections are over. If, for instance, you finish voting and the outcome does not reflect the desires of the people, you don't expect them to fold their arms. So it's up to INEC to conduct a free and fair election, credible election, and then we can decide how to respond to the final result. It's as simple as that.
The message to the youth to be calm.
So I always like to tell you guys that my family is the most democratic family in Nigeria. These are my younger brothers, real younger brothers. This is blood brothers. And they are not all in my political party. In fact, our house has 4 political parties: PDP, APC, AAC, and I think somebody was saying they belong to another party yesterday. Is there a Labour Party there? Well, whoever is in the Labour Party has not shown up in the family meeting yet. We'll handle that at the family level. So, but it's an amazing day here today, and we hope for the best in Nigeria. And if everybody conduct the election this way, everywhere across Nigeria, there is no way we will lose. It's not possible. But we are waiting for the end of the election. I hope you guys made your own commitments.
The most important thing is that this election presents a unique opportunity.
Yes.
Each of the regions has their own presidential candidate.
Yes.
And the interesting thing is that at the end of the election, nobody should come back and say Yoruba nation. Because Yoruba, they have their own opportunity now to participate. Particularly the Biafrans.
Yeah. Well,
they participate now.
I don't think elections determine what people agitate for. So that's the most important thing. But it's an election, and the reason why people agitate for nationhood is because they don't get justice within the nation itself. If there is justice for everybody, nobody will be. Americans conduct elections, and there's a section of America that say that every election they will tell you that they have seceded from America. But after the election, and they start getting paid for work, they get social security, healthcare, good schools for their children, those determinations fizzle out. I think elections are particularly why people allow elections to happen during this period. It's because they pause the agitations. The Yoruba nation people are watching what this should be. The Biafrans are watching what this should be. If at the end of the day, election guarantees some kind of hope that they can live in a country where there is justice and respect for their fundamental rights, social economic rights, then they decide to abandon the struggle.
In the real sense of it, the agitation actually came about because of injustice in this country.
Yes.
And if we have an election that is so free, fair, and peaceful, everybody votes will be counted, and there won't be any agitation.
Absolutely.
The results,
as long as the results reflect the outcome of the election.
You can imagine everywhere now, the reports we have gotten so far shows that the election is lower his money has been peaceful. And the reason why it's peaceful this time around is because of the technology know-how that is injected into the system this period. Ordinarily, by now, somebody would have been cutting away ballot boxes here and there. But with beavers now, you will know that you just need to go and work. Canvas people, and your character and integrity will come to play this time around. Not money, of course. And the issue of money, I think it's a breakthrough for all of us that this time around we will go into an election where money will not be the order of the day.
That's the PDP speaking.
Okay,
that's the APC people saying that they are happy with the lack of money.
The system.
Because I heard they got their money last night.
Okay, I don't know.
No.
For us in PDP, the only currency we are spending now is our character.
Well, I heard that you brought just a few dollars.
No, you didn't see your own. You have our own.
Check their pockets though. All right. Thank you so much.